friends, to make chili chicken, first we require capsicum. I have cut it into dice, and then garlic cloves, onion, spring onion, white oil, maida, refined flour, sugar, salt to taste, dark soy sauce, tomato sauce, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, corn flour, Schezwan sauce, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, and chili vinegar. So these are all the ingredients which we require for the preparation of chili chicken. And along with that, I have taken 200 grams of chicken. So in chicken, I have added maida and corn flour 2 tablespoons each. Along with it, I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add little bit of vinegar, around half teaspoon, and then I'm going to add Schezwan sauce, and it gives a very nice taste to the chicken. 1 tablespoon I'm going to add. After that, I'm going to add some salt in it. Next, I've added 1 egg in it. Mix it well and marinate for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to fry the chicken pieces in white oil. So in the same oil, I'm going to add the garlic and the onions and saute it lightly. After that, I'm going to add the capsicum. Now for the gravy, I'm going to add the corn starch water, 1 tablespoon corn in 1 cup of water. Now one by one, I'm going to add all the sauce, dark soy sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce and Schezwan sauce together. After that, I'm going to add some salt and sugar. And we will add some black pepper. After that, I'm going to add 1 cup of water in it, and once the gravy starts boiling, I'm going to add all the chicken pieces in it and saute it gently. Already the smell is coming very nice and it really tastes yum. You all must try this at home and have it fried rice or noodles. It's going to taste yum. So lastly, I will add some spring onions to it, and that's it friends, it's done. So friends, our chili chicken is ready, and serve it hot with noodles and fried rice, and definitely try this at home. It's very easy and very delicious, just like what you have in restaurants. All of you have it and enjoy with your family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.